Hello viewers, welcome to ICSC Board Class 10 Biology. We are with chapter transpiration. This is episode 2.2.2. In the previous episode, we have seen the definition of transpiration. We have seen the types of transpiration, as well as we have done experiment showing that plants transpire water. And in that one, we have used cobalt chloride paper, which is blue in color. And cobalt chloride paper, after some time, it is going to absorb the moisture which was there as a water droplet on the surface of the jar, and it is going to turn into pink, which confirms that the plant is transpiring water. In this episode, we are going to work it out with another two experiments related to the measurements of transpiration, and the methods are about weighing methods. So by weighing, we can find out the measurements of transpiration. So here the first our topic, we will write our topic, that is measurements of transpiration. So you come to know that which method we are using. We are going for the measurements of transpiration by weighing method. Another method is there, pottometer, that we'll see in the next episode. By weighing method, we are going to have two setup A and setup B. We will take a test tube which is empty, and then we are going to weigh it. We are going to weigh that empty test tube, and we are going to mark it as W1, which will be in grams. For the setup B, we are going to perform the same sort of steps. Then we'll fill up with the water, then we'll weight it. That will be also in the grams, so that will be W2 with water. Same thing for setup B. Then we'll take a leaf of same size, same shape of the same plant, and for setup A, we are going to cover the leaf with oil, which prevents the transpiration. While B, we are going to insert as it is into the test tube. We are going to insert leaf with the oil even in the test tube A as well, and we are going to put under the sun for few hours. But before putting in under the sun, we are going to measure the weight of the setup A and setup B as W3 in grams. After few hours, what is going to happen? If you notice, the weight of setup A is going to remain as it is. There is no change in the weight. Reason, leaf is covered with the oil, and oil is acting as an anti-transpirant, which prevents the transpiration. While for B, the weight is going to reduce because of the transpiration. So by this method, we come to know, by weighing method, this is one sort of a weighing method, we come to know about the transpiration. Let us move on to the next method. The next method is related to a special type of device, where a jar is attached with a cylindrical measuring container having the marks from 0 to 10, but I have mentioned 0 to 7 centimeter. Okay, so we are going to do an experiment that is going to indicate the volume of water loss, which can be compared with the loss in weight with the help of a pan balance. So this is pan balance. So what we'll do, we'll take a pan balance, then we will weight the empty device, that will be in the kg because the container is made up of glass. Then you will fill it with the water. After filling it with the water, we are going to weight as W2. Then we'll put the fresh plant with the roots, that would be W3. At that time, the level of the water in the cylindrical jar, or you can say cylindrical measuring device, is 0. That will be L1, level 1 for the water is 0. Then we'll put the whole device under the sun, and after few minutes, or you can say every half an hour, we are going to check the weight as well as the level. Now if you see, after a half an hour, the weight is going to reduce, but that reduction is not too much, which is seen after 2 hours. So what I have written here in the observation, the weight is going to reduce. That means the weight is, after half an hour, the weight is going to reduce to less. After 1 hour, very less. 1.5 hour, very less. And after 2 hours, extremely less. The same thing happens with the water. The water level is going to go down, because that shows the transpiration is occurring in the plant when it is kept under the sun. So this method is indicating the volume of water loss compared with the loss in weight with the help of the pen balance. And we know if 1 cc water is lost, that means 1 cc of water weighs 1 gram, weighs 1 gram. So that means if 1 cc of water is lost, that means 1 gram of water is lost. So we can compare. समझ में आया इतना? तो ये क्या है? ये एक मेजरिंग वेइंग मेथड्स है, मेजरिंग रेट ऑफ ट्रांसपीरेशन का एक मेथड है, बराबर. सो दिस इज अबाउट द 2 methods which are used for the measurement of transpiration and it's coming under the title of weighing method. एक दूसरा एक मेथड है पोटोमीटर का, वो हम दूसरे एपिसोड में देखेंगे, बराबर. अगर कोई डाउट या डिफ़िकल्टी हो तो ज़रा बता देना. प्लीज़ राइट डाउन इन द कमेंट बॉक्स फॉर एनी डाउट और एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ अ डिफ़िकल्टी. I hope you understood both the methods. Thanks very much guys and thanks for your patience.